Yeah, I spent more money again. I got those magnetic sockets from Vevor, and actually they really are magnetic, I'll tell you. I have my SAE set on one side in my one toolbox with my other wrenches, and then on the other one, the other side, the blue ones, those are metric. So, yeah, but I'll show you how strong these things are. Will they come out? I don't know. Hold on there pretty good. I don't know. See how far the sockets go. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's strong. That is really strong. See if I can get it off now. Oh boy. That's really on there. It's one heck of a magnet, I'll tell you that much. I'm going to find something to get underneath there now. Just to try to get it out of there. Oh my God. Yeah, it's, I'm not kidding. These things are really strong. Let's see how I can do this. Oh, I know. Wait a second. Let's try this. There we go. I really had to figure out some way to get them out. But, yeah. So they do work. To a point, I guess. Let's see. And, but yeah, they're in a pinch, I guess they'll work good enough to, at least good enough to make sure your sockets don't disappear on you. And, yeah, just make sure that you don't go ahead and put those anywhere near your wallet, or you will go ahead and demagnetize your credit cards. That's all I can tell you. It's that strong of a magnet. I do not think your credit card will stand it. So, and of course, it's all Milo approved, right? Right, Milo? Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, Milo likes to wander around in his shop all the time. And so, of course, he gets into stuff he shouldn't. Like right now. Milo, what are you trying to get? He just noses around and everything. I gotta watch him sometimes because he'll grab stuff he shouldn't. Like one day he grabbed a pack of razor blades. And I said, utility razor blades. I found them chewed up in the backyard. So, yeah, I gotta really watch this guy. Now he's just playing with the rubber gloves now. Milo, hey, what do you think you're doing down there? Okay, well, anyway, so yeah, these seem to be pretty good. The blue ones are the metric ones, so these are all the metric ones. And they're just as strong. I haven't got sockets in all of the spots because I can't find all my sockets I have. I got them all spread out everywhere. So that's about as many as I can get in there for right now. Still got to find the rest. And of course, there's one socket they do not have a space for. And that would be an 1.5" socket. They go up to, I think, well, I show you. This is how far they go. So it's like an inch. So yeah, it's not going to really work for me. So I need something bigger than that. Oh well, it's only one socket, so all the others will fit in there. So yeah, and then what I also did was on the M37, bang, this steering wheel cover is really good. I mean, it's I got it on there so tight, there is no way that thing will slide. And the thing you got to remember with these things is you got to go ahead and buy them so they're maybe a size smaller than you think it should be. And then what you do then is you stick this out in the sun, let it warm up, maybe for an hour or so in the sun, and then you go ahead and put it on. It was kind of hard to get on even after we're softened up with the sun, but you can get it on there, and it really is tight. And there's no way that is going to come loose on you. And so anyhow, just a couple of things I've been doing. And Milo, you want to say goodbye? Milo! Milo! You want to say goodbye? Huh, Milo? Yeah, okay. Well, we're going to say goodbye now. Bye-bye, Milo. Be a good boy. We'll see you later.